AI is amazingly brilliant at pattern recognition. By the time you become a postdoc, you're down to an incredibly narrow domain of depth of specialization. So you actually can't see what's happening in even closely related domains. The AI can, if we train it to do that. So actually turning AIs into collaborators as research assistants can be incredibly powerful for us, but that does require us to learn a whole bunch of new skills. How is a manager going to divide tasks between the human workers and the digital workers? Today, most of the AI that we think about is a collaborative tool for an individual contributor. It's not yet been thought through about how do you apply it to a team. In an era where humans live longer and where we don't know the jobs of 10 years' time, the one thing that we absolutely have to teach people is learning to learn.
Yes.
It's absolutely like a critical thing that we need to do a lot more on. And actually learning science and neuroscience has progressed a ton in recent years. So we actually know a lot about it. It is not expensive, but the system doesn't know enough about it. The educational fabric doesn't know enough. And I think we could do a lot more on that front that can help humans thrive and adapt and change. General qualification pathway is clearly not enough. You have a whole range of vocational pathways and alternate skill pathways. And actually what we hear from employers is they want people with skills. And degrees can be part of that, but there are other ways as well. And I think we're going to see a lot more of that in the future. On the skills deconstruction thing, I mean, we're totally supportive of that. I know the WEF is pushing the global skills taxonomy. I've got one challenge with it, but actually you can take the job roles out of an HR system of a company. You can deconstruct them into skills. You can say which skills will be impacted by AI and automation. This is the hard bit, is define the job corridors to say, all right, these skills are going to be taken up by automation. These other ones need to be reconfigured into new roles, and now we need to find the job corridor for the people. And so we do that for customers. It's actually not that easy. And you can see it. It's easier in technology where the codification of coding skills, for example, you could do that. When you get to something like nursing, with a lot of hands-on things, it gets a bit messier. And of course, in the world that we're in, these skills are going to evolve so fast all the time. And so creating something fungible and fluid is going to take some work.